Welcome students. Today we will learn two-letter words. A-M, M. A-N, An. A-S, as. A-T, at. B-E, B. B-Y, by. D-O, do. G-O, go. H-E, he. H-I, high. I-F, if. I-N, in. I-S, is. I-T, it. M-E, me. M-Y, my. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-R, or. O-N, on. S-O, so. T-O, to. U-S, us. U-P, up. Thank you.